The Christmas tree is decorated and the presents are opened. But before the night is over, someone ends up dead.
Is he breathing?
I don't know. I've been trying to call you over and over and over.
What happened?
When a man is found naked and dead from a gunshot wound, the victim's wife makes a startling confession.
We had an altercation.
Over
Lots of things. Then I took his gun out.
Did this woman murder her husband in cold blood? Or was this a desperate act of self-defense?
I know you're looking at me like I'm an animal right now, and I'm not. I've just been abused for so many years.
It would be years before this case would finally reach a conclusion, and the outcome isn't the one many saw coming. Welcome to this episode of Female Criminals. I'm Elizabeth Millner. Hamilton Township, New Jersey. That's where we meet this week's female criminal, Marylue Wigglesworth. To those closest to her, Marylue was simply Mary. She was born in January of 1971. Searches of her name revealed very little, at least outside of the crime she would later be accused of. The same couldn't be said for her husband, David Wigglesworth. David was no stranger to public attention. He was involved in local politics within Hamilton Township. He was even the best man for the former Hamilton Township mayor's wedding. David, or as friends would call him, Wiggy, previously served a term as president of the Hamilton Township Planning Board. At one point, he ran for the Hamilton Township Committee, though his campaign was ultimately unsuccessful. Together, Mary and David had one son. Their Facebook pages are flooded with photos of family beach days, cookouts, and lots of smiles. Their lives, by all accounts, seemed relatively normal until Christmas Day of 2022.
Please. Can you help us?
Yep, we're gonna help you, man.
Please.
Just before 10:20 p.m., officers with the Township of Hamilton Police Department respond to Mary and David's home. When the call came in, all dispatch knew was that a man is injured. But when responding officers arrived, they discover a scene far more serious than initially reported.
Can you come out here for a second?
I can.
Where's the lights? Is there anybody else in the house?
Is there anybody else in the house?
Yeah.
Is there any weapons in this house?
Yeah. Well, yeah, there is.
Where?
Yeah. Well, in our bedroom.
Okay. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Sit right here in this chair.
I don't have a problem with
Is he breathing?
that. I don't know. I've been trying to call you over and over and over.
What happened?
We had an altercation.
Over
Lots of things.
Okay.
And we had a fight.
Okay.
Then I took his gun out. Please. Try to help him, please.
The victim is confirmed as Mary's husband, David Wigglesworth, and it's unclear if he'll survive after being shot by his wife.
We had a bad fight tonight. Please. Just get him. He needs to. Please.
You guys had a fight and
Yes.
and then what happened?
Yeah. Well, we had an altercation. We fought back and forth.
Okay.
And I got pissed off and I got the gun out.
And what happened after you got the gun out?
I don't know. I don't know.
All right.
I don't
So
know.
just sit right there for me, okay? Don't
I
move.
will. I have no problem with that.
Okay. So
Yeah.
here's what I'm gonna do.
Well,
Just for my safety.
Get him an ambulance
Yep.
right now.
For my
please.
safety and your safety, I'm just gonna detain you at this
That's
point,
fine.
okay?
That's fine.
So just stand up for me.
You're-
Stand up for me, please. Just face away from me. One second.
An hour or 2 hours ago.
An hour or 2 hours ago?
I don't know when
That
we
you
were-
guys were fighting?
An hour probably ago.
Okay, when was he like this, unconscious?
Not long. Right afterwards, I called you guys.
After you called us? Okay.
Oh my God! Right afterwards.
Okay. All right. If you can just stand up for me. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me or hurt me?
Of course not.
All right. I'm just gonna have
I
to
was
search
in my
you.
home.
It's just procedure, okay?
I know.
Turn
I was
around
in
for
my
me.
Home.
Turn around for me, please. I know. I understand.
I know you understand.
I'm just trying to do
Your job.
exactly. I appreciate you understanding that, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Come with me here, please.
As David's fate remains unclear, Mary's escorted to a squad car where she would begin to reveal her version of what happened on Christmas night.
Did you have
Please.
shoes or something there?
Are you freaking kidding me right now?
right.
Like I'm like.
Well, let's just go to the car. I'll get them. I'll promise I'll come back and get them, okay?
Oh wow.
Don't worry.
Wow.
Let's just get this first done.
I know. Of course, you're doing procedure.
Exactly. Again, I appreciate
I
you
was here for
cooperating. All right.
7 years of my life, my husband physically and mentally abused me, and I had enough.
Okay.
Do you realize?
I'm listening to you.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
I had enough.
All right.
I had enough.
All right.
And this is my life for the rest of my life, but I had enough.
Okay.
Yeah, I know you say.
I'm just listening. I'm listening.
I know.
I'm not judging.
It's your job.
I'm not judging you or anything like that. I'm just listening. Just stand right there for me, okay?
I had enough. I had enough.
All right, we're gonna go in here, okay?
This life that I can live.
Come on, man.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's wonderful.
What? 1 second.
I have to be taxpayers, and this is what I have to live for the rest of my life.
Ma'am, I'm just gonna have to put the seatbelt on, okay?
That's fine.
Just lean back for me.
I've been abused. I mean, what else can I do?
I understand. I'm listening to you, ma'am. That's...
You're listening, but you don't understand. You don't.
Try to help me understand.
Can I? No.
I'm listening to you so I can try to understand. All right, I'm just gonna reach over you real quick, okay? Where did it go?
You know I'm not going to do anything to hurt you.
No, I know that.
You know that.
I know that. What's your name, ma'am?
Mary.
Mary? I'm Gretchen. Nice to meet you.
Mary appears distraught and frustrated. To her, this night was the result of years of fear and a life she's been hiding from others.
Have you ever been out here before?
Out here? Like to your residence, you mean, or out here?
Of course. We've been here 26 years.
Lean back for me.
Landing.
Thank you.
No.
Yeah, I've never been out
Nobody
here.
knows about abuse that people puts up with because nobody knows because you keep it silent.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm going to jail Christmas night because this is what I have to deal with. And nobody knows and nobody cares.
Okay.
I had enough.
What prompted the...
A lot of family
A lot?
things. You
Okay.
know, it's the time of the year when everybody's emotional.
Right.
My parents been dead 21 and 11 years across the street in the
cemetery right here?
Cemetery.
Okay.
Yeah. And a lot of other things onto that.
Okay.
Projected.
I understand.
Yeah. And like ups and downs, and like how much are you supposed to deal with? I know.
Ma'am, I'm Sergeant Clayton.
Yeah.
I have no idea what happened. Have you ever told me anything?
I had enough of this.
This is Officer Villa. She's gonna stand by
Are you
with you.
listening to me or
Ma'am,
not?
absolutely. I'm just trying to explain some things and what's gonna be going on
but
around
I'm
here
just
too.
telling you right now.
Okay.
Like, he is like great, and then he's not.
Okay.
He's like a nice person, and then he's like very controlling. And at this point, I have nothing to lose because holy I can't even believe.
Bravo 14.
I shot him because I love him to death, but he has a whole other side of him. I don't know who he is.
50s in age.
Okay.
He's a crazy person with crazy verbal mental issues that goes like, I can't handle.
Okay. Can you give us some information as far as your name, your husband's name, and date of birth?
Now subject David Wigglesworth.
I get it. All right.
Of course.
Mary, right? You said?
Marylue.
Marylue.
Yes, that's my full name.
Okay. And your husband's name?
David. B. Wigglesworth.
Marylue Wigglesworth.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to wait for my sergeant to let me know what's the next step, okay?
Yeah. Yeah. I know I'm going to jail. I know.
Mary knew what was coming next, especially after officers pronounced David dead at the scene. She's transported to the police station for questioning.
All right, Mary, let me just unbuckle you, all right? And we'll go inside. I'll take the cuffs off. I have to search you one more time, and then I'll get you some water, okay?
Yeah.
All right?
Please. I've never done anything myself.
We'll go this way, in here.
Maybe it's just me, but scheduling a doctor's appointment always feels harder than it should. By the time I've navigated the phone calls, voicemails, and scheduling headaches, the next available appointment is somehow 3 months away. That's why our sponsor ZocDoc is here to help. ZocDoc is a free app and website that lets you search and compare local and network doctors. With tons of reviews from real patients and detailed doctor profiles, I know I'm gonna get quality care. I love that I can see my actual appointment openings and click to instantly book a visit in the app. I make so many of my appointments through ZocDoc now, and I don't have to make a phone call or leave a voicemail. Your health matters, and taking care of yourself shouldn't be complicated. Find and book the right doctor with ZocDoc. Head to ZocDoc.com/femalecrime to get started and check that appointment off your to-do list. That's ZocDoc.com/femalecrime.
We're gonna go into this room that's lit up right here. I'm gonna take these handcuffs off. You can sit down and I'll get you some water, okay?
Mary is left by herself in the interview room. Before detectives even get the opportunity to ask her any questions, she begins to utter things that seem to have been bottled up for a while.
Just try to keep breathing and take a sip of water.
It doesn't matter. I know my life is over. I know what I did was wrong. I know. I love my husband. He was so verbally abusive. It's hard to handle. You don't understand. It's hard to understand. We've been together over 30 years. 30 years. I know you've heard every story in the world. Every year. Why? Why do you do these things to me? I'm not a bad person. And now this is what I gotta deal with for the rest of my life. I understand what's happening to me. I do. I do go to jail. I do. And it's horrible. And I probably killed my husband. And it's horrible. My whole life, I've tried to be a good person. I tried. But this is where it got me. If you talk to my son, I never did anything wrong. What's happening right now? What's going on with me? Is my husband dead?
I haven't been out there. I don't know.
I don't even know. It's horrible. I swear to you, just lost it. Just lost it. Like when your mind can't take anymore, you just can't deal with it. I know you have your life and your family. I'm just telling you, like, I just can't deal with it anymore. Sorry, I don't mean to do this to you, but look at me. Look at me. I've lived my life. I've done the right things forever. And I made one choice that was a horrible choice. But people are put in a situation where your mind is just like overwhelmed with, do you do the right thing or what else is there left? I've done this for so many years. I can't even believe I'm in this situation. I can't even believe.
Mary isn't able to calm down.
I know you're looking at me like I'm an animal right now, and I'm not. I'm not. I've just been abused for so many years. Please contact my son for me, please. I'm begging you. With it all. Please.
We'll get in touch with him.
Please. I know you deal with this every day. I'm just another person, but I'm not. Trust me, I've never had anything ever.
We'll get in touch with him, ma'am.
Please. Please, I appreciate it. Please. For me.
We'll get in touch with him.
Like right now, soon, before he needs to hear this. You don't need to hear. Please, I'm begging you. I know several people from the state police, please. Please. I know that doesn't matter right now, but please.
We'll get in touch with him. I can't
Please.
call him right this second, but just give me a few minutes.
Could somebody call him, please?
Well, there's nobody here. Just give me a few minutes.
There's
Somebody walks
nobody here
by.
at all?
Well, there is, but just give me a few minutes. Like,
Thank you.
there's nobody near me.
I know.
So,
I know. I know
Just
you're
hang
looking at
tight.
me like I'm a piece of person right now. I've been in horrible. Please. And my son knows. Running away. I didn't. And look where I am. And now I have nothing.
Mary begs for the chance to speak with her son.
So there's no way you can walk away from me because I'm such a huge threat that you can't contact my son.
we'll call him soon, okay?
Come on, really? Or you can tell somebody to contact him, please, so I can talk to him, please. I know you have to do your job. I know it's protocol. Believe me, my husband's been in local politics for years. But come on. You know, I know everybody that is in our Mays Landing politics because we've been through this for years. All I want is to talk to my son right now. Because I know. Please.
But detectives have other priorities, like investigating David's death.
Can I ask you a question? Why is it taking me so long to get a hold of my son? Why are we doing this? Why?
Why it's taking so long to get a hold of your son?
Yeah. I've been asking for so long.
You told the detectives when you talked to them that you wanted to call him?
20 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago? Okay. I think right now maybe they're trying to figure out how to... Do you know his number by heart?
Yeah, I gave it to him.
You gave it to them?
several
Oh, okay.
times.
So they'll be taking care of that.
Please.
They'll be taking care of that, okay? Listen, at this
You
point...
don't know because
I'm
I
not-
know you're looking at me like I'm a criminal right now. And
No,
I've been
no, listen.
a perfect person my whole life. And how much abuse my husband take.
Mary, listen.
No, you don't know.
Okay.
You don't know, hon. I know you don't know.
Listen, I'm not judging whatsoever. I am here...
Please let me talk.
I understand you want to talk to your son. So what I'm going to do...
They're taking like 20 minutes, a half hour. I understand what I did was egregious. I can't even understand what I did right now. I am so mentally up right now. I
Take a minute. Take a minute.
listen.
Take a
I've been
minute.
with my
Listen to
husband
me.
for 32 years. It's
Listen.
not like we're like next door neighbors.
I understand.
Long time.
It is a very long time.
Please let me talk to my son. Please, somebody.
I will pass it on to them, but I don't make the call. Unfortunately, that's above my hands. I will make the notation that you want to talk to your son. I will see what they're doing, okay? But I can't guarantee you anything,
I
okay?
know, but I'm not a horrible person.
I'm not
What
saying
I did
you
right
are.
now was horrible.
Listen to
I
me.
know.
I'm not saying you are. I'm not saying you are. I am not judging anything.
Please.
I will try to see if they can get a hold of your son and see what they're saying. But again, I can't guarantee you
I
anything,
know.
okay? Just take a breath, okay?
It's hard to take a breath.
All right?
It's
Just
hard. I know what I did was wrong. I know.
I'm not judging you, okay? I'm not judging you at this point.
I know.
Okay.
It's horrible. And I have to deal with this for the rest of my life. I know it's bad.
You gave them the information, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Several times.
I got you. Give me 1 second.
When detectives finally come to visit Mary in her holding cell, they tell her she's been charged with David's murder. But even in light of that news, Mary's mind seems elsewhere.
Mary Lou, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I just wanted to talk to you. Listen, I know tonight's been really difficult. All right, I know it's been a terrible experience and everything. Based on what we know about what happened, the county prosecutors authorized us to charge you with your husband's homicide. Okay, so we're going to do that tonight and get you processed on that at some point, okay? I just wanted you to hear that from me, just because I just found out. All right, if there's anything you need, there's going to be officers here. Just let them know. I'm going to reach out to him. I just have to do a couple things legally first, and then I'm going to reach out to him. This is the first time I talked to you about it. I'm gonna call him myself, and if I can get you on the phone with him, I will.
We can get some photographs of you and a bubble swap, so I need you to stand up and take some pictures with a search warrant. Take pictures, and then once we're done, we're gonna process you and take care of everything. And take your clothes, because it's blood on them. All right? Do you mind standing up for me? Can you stand right against that wall? All right, now we're gonna take a buccal swab from you. Have you ever had a buccal swab taken? Just gonna take a cotton swab inside of your mouth, both sides.
Let me know.
If anybody contacted my son.
Do you know if they
Talking
contacted
about this
her
for
son?
hours now, and nobody's not letting me know anything, please.
Whether they've contacted your son?
Yeah.
I don't know, but I can find out for you. I just got here.
I understand, but I've been hearing the same thing for about 2-3 hours.
It's unclear when and if Mary managed to get in touch with her son. She's held behind bars in the Atlantic County Justice Facility. Word spreads of David's murder, and more details are released. The headlines read, "Wife shoots and kills naked husband on Christmas Day." An autopsy determines David died of a single gunshot wound. In early January, Mary appears before a judge. Through her attorney, she doesn't dispute she was the one who shot and killed David. She claims she acted in self-defense because she feared for her life. A judge ruled due to the severity of her charges, she would be denied bail. But the following month, an appellate court ruled Mary would be given a second chance at bail. State Appellate Division judges Heidi Currier and Avis Bishop Thompson ruled the circuit court judge should have considered Mary's self-defense evidence before ordering her to remain in jail. The appellate court judges also find the circuit court failed to show reason that Mary would be a flight risk or would try obstructing the criminal justice process. Marylue Wigglesworth appears back in front of the judge on Valentine's Day of 2023. Mary is charged with first-degree murder. The question now becomes, will the judge rule differently a second time around? Marylue Wigglesworth is ordered to remain behind bars pending trial, but the case never makes its way in front of a jury. On June 4th of 2024, she pleads guilty to manslaughter. Under her plea arrangement, she faces a recommended sentence of less than 10 years in prison. She's sentenced in August of that same year to 6 years in prison. Following her sentencing, the Atlantic County Prosecutor's Office wrote in a statement, during the plea, the defendant stated that before the shooting, she and her husband engaged in an argument. The victim, David, physically assaulted the defendant and threatened her with a firearm that he kept in their bedroom. Immediately following the threat, the defendant shot the victim with the firearm used in the assault. Officers investigating the homicide documented significant bruising throughout the defendant's body following the homicide, consistent with being the victim of an assault. Marylue Wigglesworth is serving her prison sentence in the Edna Mahan Correctional Facility for Women. As of this recording, online records show her release date is January 29th of 2028. Thanks so much for joining me on this episode. I'm Elizabeth Millner, and we'll see you back here next week with another female criminal.